Hey guys, this is day 15 of my 365 April challenge, and today I try something that feel like the future of content creation, and it's called Pika AI. So this will let you create video just by typing. I'm using free version in this video, and we can only create videos of few seconds, but yeah, you can do a lot more with the paid version. So okay, let's get started. So first, just go to pika.art and sign up, and once you're in, you will see a simple interface. And now all you have to do is describe the video you want. So for example, I'll just type dog driving. So I'll just say dog driving Rolls Royce car in Kathmandu city. And now just wait for a few seconds. But yeah, again, so if you are using free version, it will take more time. And after it gets done, you can watch and it generates a video clip, and it looks awesome, and just from the text. And now where it's get more interesting, so you can also upload image and audio, and it will turn into a moving video. So instead of static content, you get motion. So you just need to upload a photo and record or upload a recorded file and describe it. So I recorded a few second clip, and now and also I can add a description, and I simply type dog is asking for food, and now you can see it will generate videos.
Hey,
And now you
I'm
can
hungry.
see
Give
it
me
will
my food.
generate video. So this is really useful for real TikTok, YouTube shorts. And you can also change the style, adjust motion, or try different prompts. So sometimes results are not perfect, but yeah, for quick content, it's actually really powerful. So and the best part, you can try it with a free credit, so you don't need to pay to start. And yeah, I think yeah, that's all for today. And try it and tell me what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.